In this demo, we will walk through a project portfolio planning application, which not only helps organizations efficiently and effectively plan and manage project portfolios, but also provides reports and dashboards to increase visibility for key stakeholders. We'll start our tour from the Project Portfolio Management dashboard. Project Overview gives a company-level financial summary. It captures the business' ongoing financial performance by financial years. The year-to-date performance page provides a clear picture of how well the whole company is doing financially compared to the budget. The charts illustrate how each portfolio contributes to each key financial account. We can also drill into project summary and see what are the projects associated with each portfolio and the status and schedule of each project. Throughout this view, we can easily tell when projects are scheduled to take place. The project alert gives red flags where resource target or margin percentage target are not met. We can use the filter to focus on the projects that are associated with selected portfolio. Here, we see a resource flag for project ERP implementation. This can easily be fixed in the project planning module. Personnel Alert allows users to track all resources assigned FTEs across all portfolios. Ideally, all resources should be fully booked so as to maximize the return of labor cost. There are red flags we may need to consider reallocating resources to balance the workload, or hiring more resources to cover the increasing needs. These alerts call out all project-related issues and risks in order to ensure projects stay aligned with organizational targets. We also have a resource analysis defined for helping us compare needs by each of our roles over time. While the project portfolio management gives us a full scope project portfolio summary with visibility into high-level project metrics, the project planning dashboard offers a way to drill all the way down to the granular task and resource level. A project manager can use this dashboard to create and manage projects, update resource and expense plan, and see project high-level data updated in real time. This dashboard starts with an Add New Project page. Within this page, users can create a brand new project by specifying its portfolio and name. Then, we can start to customize its outline to meet the specific customer requirements. We can also manage existing projects here. We can see various details about the selected project, such as the start and end dates, margin target, and personnel cost percentage assumption. Kepion provides an intuitive task management module to allow users to keep track of how the projects are progressing. We can create brand new tasks under each stage or copy from an existing task depending on the planning needs. We can see individual project tasks, their dates, occurrence, scoped hours, and progress complete percentage. These individual tasks are rolling up into stages, which are laid out in a Gantt view in Schedule page. Drilling into the Assigned Personnel section, we can start resource planning. Before deciding who should be assigned to the selected project, we can click in and understand what resources are available within the project time scope. The colored cells clearly indicate who has been fully allocated, under-allocated, or over-allocated on a monthly basis. We can view the internal rate and default billable rate side by side to understand their cost and revenue, and update billable rate if there is an override for this particular project. Moving to the FTE Planning page, we can see what is scoped hours, alongside with how many hours have been assigned currently. We can see who is currently assigned to this project by FTE. Kepion is fully customizable and can adjust to your planning needs no matter what metrics your company are using to plan resources. Kepion forms and business rules can be configured in the way you need. In this example, we see there is a resource shortage. We can either go back to the Assigned Personnel page to assign more resources to current project, or increase FTEs of existing resources. Let's move forward to Expense Planning. Here, we can plan all expenses that are associated with the selected project. We can add additional line items by expense category and enter planning details. Upon update, Kepion will calculate total expense for you and park it to your designated month. Expense assumptions allow users to manage standard unit types and costs that can be saved for future use across the company. Now let's drill into the equipment planning section. Simply specify the assets that are required in this project and specify its value and click Update. Kepion will perform depreciation calculation and allocate the amortization to the relevant account and time period. Once we've walked through the planning roadmap, we reach the overview page where it gives us a project-level P&L summary on a monthly basis. This report allows users to see revenue, labor, and expense dollar updates based on quantitative inputs, all in real time. With all this information captured on a single platform, users can manage and track the project portfolio planning process and ensure project margin and resource target to be reached. Give Kepion a try today.